morning to all. I am Ashutosh Behra, a student of class 10A of Sadhuram Vidya Mandir. I have participated in Elsevier 20 and my topic is weather forecasting through atmospheric pressure. Let me first explain what is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure within the atmosphere of Earth. It is simply the force exerted on the Earth's surface by the air above it as gravity pulls it to Earth. The standard atmospheric pressure unit is defined as 1,01,325 Pascal, which is equivalent to 760 millimeter of mercury. Now, weather forecasting. What is weather forecasting? Weather forecasting is the application of science and technology to predict the condition of the atmosphere for a given location and time. This model is based on atmospheric pressure, that is, forecasting weather through atmospheric pressure. How we can forecast weather through atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure plays an important role in forecasting the weather. This model is totally based on the concept of atmospheric pressure. According to scientists, atmospheric pressure can decide the weather. If atmospheric pressure of surrounding of a given location is low, then it indicates cloudy weather or bad weather. And if the atmospheric pressure of the surroundings of a given location is high, then it indicates sunny or good weather. Now let me explain the concept of my project. If the atmospheric pressure outside this jar, there are two jars. One jar I have given for the atmospheric pressure and another one is a balloon barometer. From this balloon barometer we are going to forecast the weather, and the big jar I have given a surrounding to the balloon barometer. This big jar will make the pressure high or low in the barometer. Now let me explain its concept. If the atmospheric pressure outside the jar is higher than inside, it will push down the balloon and the balloon lid will sink and the straw will point up like this. If the atmospheric pressure is higher than the atmospheric pressure inside this container, then it will push down the balloon, making the pointer showing up, indicating good weather. And if the air pressure outside the jar is lower than inside, the balloon will swell outwards and straw will point down like this. If the atmospheric pressure outside the container is lower than inside, then the balloon will swell up and the pointer will face down, indicating bad weather. Let me show how it works. When I push it to create high pressure in the surrounding of this balloon barometer, its pointer moves up because the balloon swells down. But when I pull this to create low pressure inside the container, the balloon barometer inside it, the balloon in the container swell outwards and the pointer face down, indicating bad weather. In this way, we can very easily forecast the weather through atmospheric pressure present in our surroundings. Thank you.